Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add time effects on your TikTok video. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open TikTok app, then click the plus button at the bottom, then record a video. Then on your right, click where it's written effects, then click on time. So you can do a reverse, you can repeat, you can do slow motion. So I will do a reverse. So and after that, save. So this is how to apply or add time effects on your TikTok video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.